total distance covered. Very, very important point. You must take note. So we have example. Let's use the one they have already sketched before we give ourselves a story. Hey, please, mind you. Wow. What's your time?
It's checking the time.
What's the time?
2:45.
That's it. No, that's it.
Want to start the class, so that's
So consider you have V in meter per seconds, then T in seconds. You have 5, 15, and 25. So take the story. The diagram above shows the velocity time graph for a moving body. If the total distance covered by the body is 350 meters, the acceleration during the segment OX of the body's motion is dash. I take it again. The diagram above shows the velocity time graph of a moving body. Stop. If the total distance covered by the body is 350 meters, the acceleration during the segment OX of the body's motion is dash.
What do you do?
So we have been given what we just need. We have been given the total distance. Total distance covered is 350 meters. We want to find acceleration in this region OX. So look at it. Solution. Distance. We use this idea that the total distance covered from this graph is equal to the area of the graph formed. So using the idea, is it covering? So you can use the idea that total distance covered in the VT graph, that is velocity time graph as drawn, is equivalent to the what? The area of the shape formed. And what's the area? What's that shape? What type of shape do you have here? No, trapezium. This is trapezium. Can you tell me the area?
That's
formula?
Half base times height.
That's triangle.
Half equals B.
Very good of you. Half into A plus B bracket I. Okay. We have our distance is given the question to be what? 350 meters. What's our A? In that diagram, our A is X, Y. This will be our A, and the whole of this place is our what? Our B. So A will be X to Y, which is what? 15 minus X, let's say A is equal to X, Y, and that's out of 15, remove 5, that's equal to 10. So 10. What of our B? Our B is OZ, have you? Okay, this point is point Z. Our small b will be what? Line OZ, which is 0 to 25. That's 25. So that's just by the way. So we have 25. Now our height is either what's the label you can give that one. Let me call this place. Let's V. Our height is the V that we don't know, the velocity. And having know that one, there will be way out. So our height is V. The height there is V. So solving this quickly, what's your answer? I have half of 35 V is equal to 350. So that's 700 equals 35 V. So my V is what? 20. Okay, is equal to 20. Okay. If V is 20, now go back to the question. The acceleration in this stage, that will be what? V over the time taken. So therefore, the acceleration is equal to V over time in the region OS. That region. Time in that segment. So that gives us what? 20 divided by what is time taking to complete that segment of the journey?
5 seconds.
5 seconds. So what is 20 meter over 5 meter per second over 5? That's what? 4 meter seconds. So that's the idea. So we can use the thing for this either from front, back. So depending on how the question is what is framed. So you have a lot of questions here for your practice as well. So that one is sufficient for concept of motion. So there is other type. I don't think we have more time to do that. Okay, we'll mention it. Is yes. You write on the time.
Okay.
So we are given the total distance in that question. So we now likely using the concept of total distance of a PT graph is the area of that shape. The shape here is a trapezium. We call